I step into a land that feels alive, yet eerily silent. The air shimmers above the ground, bending in waves of heat. Every inhalation is heavy with sulfur and mineral scents. The horizon quivers, a mirage that hints at the unimaginable extremes of this place. This is not a dream, it is Earth. It is the Danakil Depression, Ethiopia's inferno, a land so hot, so hostile, that it challenges every concept of survival. And yet, life here persists in ways that defy imagination. The Danakil Depression lies in the northeastern corner of Ethiopia, deep within the Afar Triangle. Here, three tectonic plates, the African, Arabian, and Somali, slowly pull apart the land. Over millennia, the earth has fractured. Cracks gape wide, fumaroles hiss, and molten lava rises from the depths like veins of a living planet. This is a place where the earth itself is revealed, raw and unyielding. Every step is a test. The ground is hot enough to burn, the air heavy with noxious gases. Temperatures soar above 50 degrees C during the day, yet life continues, adapting in ways both small and extraordinary. Salt stretches endlessly in white plains that reflect the blazing sun like mirrors. Jagged salt towers rise, sculpted by wind and time, some taller than a man. Mineral-rich pools bubble in colors too vibrant to be natural: yellow, green, orange, crimson. The land feels almost alien, a glimpse of another world shaped by fire, water, and centuries of geological upheaval. Yet, humans have made this land their home. The Afar people are the true masters of this extreme landscape. For generations, they have harvested salt from the flats, cutting massive blocks and loading them onto camel caravans. The journey is long and grueling, the heat unrelenting, yet they move with patience, rhythm, and an unspoken respect for the desert. Each slab of salt is more than a commodity. It is history, culture, and survival. Caravans follow paths laid by ancestors thousands of years ago. As I watch them, I realize the salt is not just white crystal. It is the lifeblood of a people, a testament to resilience in the face of unimaginable challenges. Beyond the salt flats rise volcanoes that never sleep. Erta Ale, the smoking mountain, holds one of the world's few continuously active lava lakes. Standing at its rim, I feel the planet's pulse beneath my feet. Rivers of molten rock surge and collapse, glowing red and orange in a dance as old as Earth itself. Steam and sulfur rise, wrapping the mountain in a ghostly veil. Here, I understand the meaning of danger and awe. The heat is fierce, the terrain treacherous, yet the sight is breathtaking. It is Earth's raw energy, revealed in motion, color, and light, a reminder that our planet is alive, volatile, and beautiful. The Danakil is not only fire and salt, it is a laboratory of life. In the acidic pools, microbial life thrives where no other can. Bacteria feed on sulfur and minerals, surviving extreme temperatures and toxic chemicals. Scientists study these extremophiles to understand not just survival, but the origins of life itself, perhaps even life on other planets. It is astonishing to think that these tiny creatures endure what most life cannot. And alongside them, humans walk, live, and thrive in one of the most unforgiving places on Earth. Daily life for the Afar is a delicate balance with nature. The desert provides salt, but it also demands vigilance. The sun is merciless, the wind can strip moisture from the skin, and the ground may shift unexpectedly. Yet the Afar have learned the rhythms of this land. They sing while they work, their voices carrying across the salt flats like echoes from another era. Camels march patiently, their loads steady. It is a scene of harmony, human, animal, and landscape intertwined. The volcanic landscape continues to astonish. Lava flows, basalt formations, and steaming vents form an intricate network of danger and beauty. Every fissure, every ridge tells a story of fire and pressure, of the earth constantly reshaping itself. I trace my fingers along cooled lava, feeling the history of eruptions, the heat of ages, and the unyielding force beneath. Nightfall transforms the Danakil into something even more surreal. Lava lakes glow brighter, their red-orange light reflecting off the salt flats. Stars blanket the sky, mirrored in shimmering pools. Silence dominates, broken only by the distant rumble of volcanoes or the soft chants of Afar tribesmen. Here, under the stars, I am reminded of the vastness of the universe and the fragility of life. In this place of extremes, survival is both an art and a science, a constant negotiation with forces far larger than any individual. Yet, the Danakil is more than a study in extremes. It is a story of beauty, resilience, and wonder. From the tiniest microbe to the enduring Afar people, from bubbling lava to endless salt plains, it is a land where life refuses to be defeated. It teaches humility, awe, and reverence for the forces that shape our world. Reflecting on my journey, I realize the Danakil is a paradox. Harshness and beauty coexist. Death and survival walk hand in hand. Danger and wonder are inseparable. It is a place that challenges the senses, inspires imagination, and ignites the spirit of adventure. Here, the earth speaks in fire, salt, and stone. It reminds us of our smallness, and yet, through the resilience of life, it also reminds us of hope, endurance, and the extraordinary power of nature. The Danakil Depression is not a wasteland. It is earth at its rawest. It is fire and ice, salt and lava, survival and beauty. It is a place where the planet's heartbeat is visible and audible, a place where humans and microbes, tradition and nature coexist in harmony. This is Ethiopia's Danakil Depression, the hottest, harshest, most extraordinary place on Earth. A place that humbles, amazes, and inspires. A land where life endures and wonder never fades. The Danakil Depression is more than a place. It's a living reminder of Earth's raw power. If this journey amazed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible explorations of our planet's wonders.